This BOTSLAB 4 camera kit delivers genuinely sharp 4K video with rich color at night, making it easy to identify faces, plates, and small details around your property. The included home base stores footage locally with generous capacity and no ongoing subscription, which is reassuring if you care about privacy and long-term ownership costs. Built-in artificial intelligence does a solid job distinguishing people, vehicles, and other motion, so you get smarter alerts instead of constant false alarms from every rustling branch. The combination of a high-capacity rechargeable battery and an efficient solar panel means the cameras can run for long stretches without manual charging or complicated wiring. Full 360-degree pan and tilt coverage with automatic tracking allows each camera to follow movement smoothly and reduce blind spots around corners or larger yards. The system ties all 4 cameras together in an intuitive app, where cross-camera event tracking and over-the-air updates make it feel like a future-proof, whole-home solution.